payat ka na, lalo ka pang pumayat eh. No? At ngayon, dati mukha kang 50 years old, ngayon mukha ka ng 80 years old. Buti makapal pa yung buhok nyo, Secretary.
Si Secretary Dizon nung nagsimula, isa sa parang top pang GQ yung executive. Batang-bata, diba? Ito, very aggressive, very defendable. Ngayon, mukha ng nag-age na kayo ng ilang buwan pa lang. Mukha ng mad scientist. Naalala ko yung Back to the Future. Yung buhok nyo, sabog-sabog na. Naawa ako sa... I understand the challenges that you are facing right now, and I don't envy your position right now.